everyone, it's Autumn. Today I wanted to do a video where I unbox my Allure Beauty Box for the month of December. So I've actually been getting Allure Beauty Box for years now. I just typically don't film it, and since I said I was going to do a video for every day of December, this is kind of like an easy sort of video to put up. So I kind of want to preface this by saying that maybe about a year ago now, Allure raised their beauty box prices. It used to be only $15, and then they raised their prices to, I believe, around $23 now. I'll have the exact numbers here on the screen. But they said with that price raise, we were going to be getting better products. So I'm gonna be 100% honest with you. There are some months where it was no better than before, which, mind you, I haven't opened this yet, so I have no idea about this month. But the main reason that I keep that membership, if you are an Allure Box member, you actually have access to their like sales online, in which I have gotten like great skincare bundles and things like that that were worth a couple $100 for like only like 40 bucks through their website. So with that being said, even though sometimes the box kind of stinks, you do get access to discounted products through the website. So let's go ahead and open up our box. First thing you see here is this. And I'm gonna be 100% honest with you. I typically don't read these unless I'm just looking to see kind of like what the value of the product is. And the reason I don't read them is because they're editors who are obviously hired. Say things that really hype the product up, kind of like when you look at a TikTok video and somebody's putting something on their face and it happens to be the best product that they've ever used. It doesn't feel genuine to me, and I know that these editors aren't saying like, hey, I tried this eyeshadow and I absolutely love it, let's put it in the box. I'm pretty sure what's happening is they're assigning a product to each person and saying, hey, write about this, and then all of a sudden now it's that person's favorite product for that month. Like, I know how it works. Well, it may not work that way, but that's what it feels like to me, because a lot of the reviews they don't seem very genuine, or that particular person's style, which I don't know them, but like based off of their photos, and it's a lot of the same people over and over again, and the things that they say just doesn't seem genuine. Like, I feel like you almost get to know the person based off what they're writing, but then they contradict themselves the next month, which we are allowed to change our minds. But anyway, all right, so let's just go ahead and jump in and see what we have in the box. So this first thing is a Hero Lightning Wand. It's a dark spot brightening serum. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up, and this is obviously a mini, and it does appear to come with an instruction booklet in here, and then you get this little tiny serum. And I need to hurry up and use mine because it expires in a few months. So that is probably why it's in this box. So I'm wondering when it was made. I'm sure, I don't know if this brand is up or not, but like usually companies don't make products that are gonna expire within 4 months, right? So this probably isn't the freshest. Right. So next product here in the box is Neom Perfect Night Sleep Magnesium Body Butter. So this is something that I don't mind getting in the box, because when I travel, I can just grab like a lotion, like a smaller lotion out of like my travel toiletries bin that I have over there. So this will just go into there, and I really won't have an opinion on it until after I travel. And it seems like something that I'm probably never going to talk about again. Next thing in here is the Cetaphil Healing Ointment Skin Protectant for dry, chapped, or irritated skin. And again, this is just a mini, but this is something that I would use. Actually, I ought to do it on this. So underneath my wedding ring, I normally have to stop wearing it in the winter. If you see that there. Water, when I wash my hands, because I wash my hands so much, especially now with COVID, water gets trapped like in the ring and like up in the diamonds and stuff like that, and then I go outside and I just get a chapped area on my hand. So let's go ahead and put that on there since it's made for chapped skin. Ooh, this is like a, okay, it doesn't have a smell. It's like a Vaseline kind of texture. So So this feels more like a protectant, which is that what they said it was? Yeah, like it's just like an ointment or something. So it kind of sits on top. If I want something to actually help this, I'm gonna have to have something that like penetrates. This isn't that type of product, but it would protect it, I guess, from further irritation. Now I have like grease on my hands. You know what? I bet I could use this on my lips too. Doesn't say anything about lips on here, but I feel like you could. That's just my unprofessional opinion. All right, so now I have this product from Beauty Stat. It's a Universal Pro Bio Moisture Boost Cream. And I think this would be perfect for winter, obviously. So this is something that I think I'll use. But now I'm like paranoid. I'm like looking around for an expiration date. I don't see one on here. All right, so then the next product is Neolastin Revitalize Infirm Eye Cream. I love a good eye cream, so I can't wait to try this. I normally keep a variety of eye creams here in my beauty room and also in the bathroom. I know some dermatologists say that you don't need an eye cream, but I love them. I feel like they're a little bit richer, and I have dry skin, and then also they're tested for the eye area. So to each their own, I suppose. All right, so then we have two makeup items in here. This first one is Floss Eyeshadow Squad. It's an eyeshadow palette, and I got the shade Just Peachy. And these shadows are actually right up my alley. So they may swatch a little bit better than they're supposed to because I have this oil on my hand, and usually anything emollient will make something swatch better and look better than what it is. So just kind of keep that in mind. So there they are on my fingers. This one has like a pink shift to it. It's like a gold to pink. Ooh. So here they are. There we go. So yeah, the quality feels nice, but again, it always looks nicer when you swatch it over something really moisturizing. So I will have to test that out. I have never seen floss products before really outside of Allure Beauty Boxes. So I've tried their glosses, I've had a highlight before, and now this eyeshadow product. Where are these things even sold? Because I have multiple floss products and they always come in Allure boxes. And then the last thing I got in here is the Pillow Talk Lip Cheat from Charlotte Tilbury. Did I get a particular shade? I know that there were 3 shade options, so I wonder what shade option I got. I think I just got the original. In which I already have this, so I probably shouldn't have swatched this one, but I feel like I'll use it. Let's go ahead. We'll just go ahead and put some on here. Yeah, I just really like this lip liner. So anyway, here on the screen, I'm gonna have the value of the box. And the way that I figure up the value is I go online and I look to see where I can buy these products in these particular sizes for the cheapest. So I don't go by the MSRP, I go by whatever it sells for online right now. And obviously I feel like the box is worth it just from the lip liner alone. I think is near the price of the box. So I know that the value is here in this box, so I'm pretty pleased with it. Anyway, that's all I have for you. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more content like this, go ahead and subscribe. Oh, and if you're curious about the look I'm wearing right now, I did a quick first impression sort of video using Rare Beauty products, and that should be up either right before this video or right after it. As soon as it's up, I will have it linked right here for you. And anyway, I will talk to you all soon. Bye. All of the presents are still